Don't forget, this broadcast is only part of the PPR experience. At KUSI.com/PPR, you can see all our full-length features like the Jerome's Furniture Sounds of the Game. This week, it's Rancho Bernardo quarterback Mark Salazar wearing the wire. Mark was injured tonight, so this is a tribute to him. The PPR will be right back.
We still don't have a touchdown in the first quarter all year.
You gotta change that.
Let's go! Did you hold on to that a little bit? I didn't see the release.
Yeah, I hang right here, and then like I know I had time, but I want to knock him to clear that guy.
Hey, when we get stop here, we're gonna go Corleone right. Let's go! I mean, I can pass protect all day, but like if you ask all the linemen, we'd rather pass protect than run block.
Why?
Because it's easier. Let's go!
Yeah! Can I wear a jacket? Because I'm freezing.
Yeah. You have shoulder pads on.
I'm literally freezing.